Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Oklahoma. And this is a video tutorial, so I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you do it on yours. Within about 5 or 10 minutes of following along with this video, you're going to have your LLC filed. So click the link in the description below. I promise you this is super fast and easy. So click the link and let's just get right into it. So this is the 𝗤𝙀Brands website. We're going to start off by clicking Oklahoma. And now type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available for an LLC in your state. Now you're just going to click the state you're in and type in your industry. They have so many options. You will more than likely find a category that you fall into. And then you're going to click if you're selling a good, a service, or both. Now, as far as hiring employees, if you change your mind later on down the line after you filed your LLC, it's completely fine. You're not going to have to change anything with your LLC standing. This is just clicking where you're at the moment. Now you're going to type in the zip code of your business. If you have a storefront, you can use that zip code. If you don't yet, or maybe you're mobile, you can use your home zip code for this. Just make sure it's obviously in Oklahoma. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? Click all that apply. And you guys, today I want you to click LLC and EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, and you're also gonna need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So more than likely you will need it within this year. I like just getting it through 𝗤𝙀Brands because, as you can see, they have pretty much everything business related here. It's like a one-stop shop if you need a logo made or a license, and it's just really convenient, to be honest. Okay, we can skip this survey and discover 𝗤𝙀Brands through YouTube. You guys, they're offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. First of all, it's free, and I like to always see if I can learn something new about my business that makes it better and makes me more money. But if you want to pass on it, you can do that as well. Now just type in your personal info. Okay, again, they're asking, do you want 𝗤𝙀Brands to help you get your EIN number? So if you choose to do on your own, you can. It's through the IRS website. Personally, I feel like government websites are really outdated and difficult to navigate. And also, you can only file it Monday through Friday. So if you're watching this on the weekend, you'd have to wait till Monday. And for $99, 𝗤𝙀Brands will do it for me. Pretty much me just clicking this button is all I have to do, so it's completely worth it for me to take that off of my to-do list and not have to stress about something extra. And as far as assigning a registered agent, don't let this throw you. A registered agent is essentially like a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail about your business. So if you live in Oklahoma and you're opening your LLC in Oklahoma, you can and will be your own registered agent. The only time, well, one of the times this wouldn't apply is if you live in like California or something, or New Jersey or whatever other state, and you want to open an LLC in Oklahoma, maybe for tax benefits, then you would need to appoint a registered agent in the state. But most of you guys watching this video are going to be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, they'll give you a couple warnings, and then you'll be charged with a bunch of late fees and fines. So super important to remember to do that. If you're busy and you think you might forget about it, your business is going well and you have a lot going on, they can renew it for you, 𝗤𝙀Brands, for $199 a year. It's just automatic and you won't even have to think about it. So definitely worth considering. If you want to save money, you can click this option. And I'm going to skip on the branding toolkit. And for just $49, we can get our LLC in just 2 days from now. You don't need an operating agreement, so you can hit that. And I'm going to skip on the formation kit. You guys definitely recommend checking this service out that 𝗤𝙀 Brands has. So let's just say you don't have a system set up yet in your business, or maybe your business is growing really fast and you're not really as organized as you want to be, Tailored Brands is going to get you set up for success. They're going to get you so organized with your finances, your bookkeeping, your invoices, all that good stuff. I highly recommend checking it out if you're serious about growing your business. They give you a free trial, and then at the end they give you some price plans so you can see what works for you. But it's just good to have a service like this where you know where every single cent is going in your business. If you don't want that, that's okay too, and you can manage your own books and invoices. And let's get notified about our LLC. And you guys, today, no need to pay anything extra. Let's just get this light plan. And now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the state filing fee in Oklahoma is $104. We're getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying $49 for that 2-day filing for our grand total. Now, after your LLC is created, then you will be charged for that EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come through. That's just for the EIN. So after you pay, it's going to ask you what address you want to use. They're asking like for correspondence of your LLC. I'm mobile, I don't have a storefront. I've always used my home address for LLCs, and I've never gotten junk mail. I've never gotten like spam, stuff like that. It's literally just for them to have on file and contact you if they need you for something. But if you do have a storefront, you can use that address instead. That's it, you guys. We're completely done. You can see how fast and easy this was. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.